Top crypto to buy now. It is a very interesting search topic, and one that I believe should absolutely not be dominated in search results or SEO by Forbes. Guys, if you Google top crypto to buy now, Forbes shows up at the top of the list with their list that we're going to be going over. And we're going to be going over it very quickly because it's a pretty dumb list. And then we're going to go over an actual list of top cryptocurrencies that you guys should be looking at and make a determination of whether or not you would like to buy them now. So let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we've got the top crypto to buy now at the top of the screen, and I am going to be going over Forbes' list very, very quickly. And you're going to if you've watched or if you understand cryptocurrency, you're going to understand why I'm going to go over it very quickly. These are the top 10 cryptocurrencies as of August 13th, 2024, and this is by Forbes here. Number 1, Bitcoin. Number 2, Ethereum. Number 3, USDT. Number 4, BNB. Okay, this list is sounding very, very familiar to me. Number 5, Solana, USDC, XRP, TON, Dogecoin, Cardano. Okay, yeah. Now let's see if I know anything about cryptocurrency market caps. I think that Bitcoin is first, Ethereum is second. You've got USDC, BNB, Solana. Oh yeah, that's exactly right. Check this list out here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, Solana, USDC, XRP, Toncoin, Dogecoin, and Cardano. Wouldn't you know? Forbes just took the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization and told you that these are the best cryptocurrencies to buy now. A very interesting approach. And I believe there's nothing original about this, and these are not necessarily the top cryptocurrencies to buy. So we're going to take a look at a couple of them. I'm going to go over 5 very quickly here, and I believe that these 5 could do extremely well during an upcoming bull market. Now, the 5 of these cryptocurrencies are meme coins, so I do want to say that they are a little bit riskier, okay? But what do we know about bear or bull markets after bear markets, and what do we know about meme coins? Meme coins perform the best following a bear market into a bull market. And guys, right now, if you look at the 2017 run, the 2021 one, and what is turning out to be a 2024-2025 bull market rally, when retail returns, you know they go towards the meme coins because they can make the largest gains. So the first meme coin that I want to look at is Pepe Unchained. This is a layer 2 blockchain, and it's a layer 2 blockchain built for meme coins. Check this out. A future of meme coins, a layer 2 blockchain built for speed, security, low fees, and of course, meme coins. Now guys, you're going to have links for these down in the description below if you want to take a look at them a little bit better. They've already raised $9.2 million, and they've actually done $9.2 million in pre-sale raises or net inflows at a time when the rest of the cryptocurrency market is extremely afraid. So these guys are very, very strong here. Next one I want to look at is Mother. Okay, I'm going to refresh this page right here, and Iggy Azalea's Mother coin pulls up. It is currently sitting at about 4 cents. It is near some fresh lows, but it is bouncing off of them. Why do I believe that Iggy Azalea can do so well? She is one of the only celebrities that is on a daily basis campaigning for this cryptocurrency project to take off. She is getting major exchange after major exchange to list her token, and she can't help the overall situation in the crypto space right now. She can't help that retail investors are nowhere to be found, but what she can do is put in the work at a time when the rest of the market is stagnant or at its lowest levels in the last like 6-7 years, and when retail returns, guys, she's got like 7.7 million followers on X, many more on Instagram, TikTok, and so on. They're going to know about her project, and they're going to want to buy it. Now, this could be a very, very big coin because of that. Next one that I want to take a look at, it is sort of a competition for Mother. It is Daddy. It is Andrew Tate's Daddy token. And guys, Andrew Tate's Daddy token, this dude has like 9.7 million followers out on X, more across other social media platforms. And of course, he has got the target demographic You've got guys in his university that coincide very, very well with cryptocurrency demographic. He's already got 55,000 plus holders, $1.7 million in the liquidity pool. And when the market takes off and confidence is restored, I believe this token could do very well because of his marketing reach. Now, the next one I want to look at, Crypto All-Stars. This is a brand new token that just launched a couple of days ago. It is not yet trading live. It is still in the pre-sale stages, but these guys have already done over $500,000 in inflows, and they've done so just over the last couple of days. They are currently offering 32x annualized staking rewards, but the thing that sets them apart, Crypto All-Stars, they're creating a meme vault, one where you can stake the top meme coins in the entire world and earn crazy high rewards in Crypto All-Stars for doing so. So make sure to check these guys out. And the last one, but definitely not least, is T1500. If you guys haven't seen this one, you got this kid that's walking from the United Kingdom all the way to Andrew Tate's house in Romania. He just received a care package that is supposedly from Andrew Tate himself, supplying him with all of the Cobra Tate merchandise so that he can wear it on his journey. I believe he's got roughly 3 weeks left until he gets there, and as you can see, this chart is phenomenal here. If you take a look at it, you can see that it was stagnant for a while. His story began to pick up. People started learning about him, and he's been hitting green candles and new highs nearly every single day. Running into a little resistance over the last 2-3 days here in the 004 to 005 area, but if that level's broken, if he reaches or breaches this $5 million market cap, he could very easily be hitting $6, $7, $8, $9, $10 million before he runs into resistance again. The story is awesome. A lot of people are beginning to follow. I think he's got over 2,000 holders so far, and people continue to look at this story and look at the potential for this token because it is one of the only green tokens in a sea of red tokens right now. So these are 5 cryptocurrencies or 5 crypto tokens that I think you could look at to buy right now. I want to know your guys' 5 down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.